everyone. In last video, we learned about how to pronounce consonant, and in this video, I'll teach you about unvoiced TSL, voiced TSL, and intonation. Firstly, we learn about unvoiced TSL. To make an unvoiced TSL, you should take your tongue out between your teeth. Bite down slightly and then blow like that. The sound comes from air and the friction, so it should be quite loudly. Let's practice with some words. Think, thanks, Thursday, birthday, north. Okay. Next we learn about voice TSL. To make a voice TSL, all you have to do is take an unvoiced TSL and just add voicing. Put your hand on your throat. You should be able to feel the vibration in your throat and in your tongue. Practice with some words. They, those, that, this, mother, father, brother, south. I have a sentence to you for you to practice how to pronounce unvoiced TSL and voiced TSL. Listen and repeat with me. I think, I thought, a thought, but the thought I thought is not the thought that I thought. Repeat much farther. I think I thought a thought, but the thought I thought is not the thought that I thought. I think I thought a thought, but the thought I thought is not the thought that I thought. Okay, that you can practice with these sentences too. I hope it's useful. Finally, I'll teach you about intonation. Do you know what intonation is? Intonation is the voice going up and down on the strongest syllable of the most important word in the phrase or sentence. Today I teach you about 10 kinds of sentences. First is statement. We use statement every day in our lives. Like with statement, we have to bring point down at the end of the sentence. For example, Betty lives in London. Betty lives in London. Victor works at a bank. Victor works at a bank. Next, with WA question. In the WA question, you have to bring point down at the end of the question. For example, what is his name? What's your name? How are you? Okay, next. with yes no question. Is it no question? You have to bring boy up at the end of the question. Are you okay? Are you okay? Do you remember me? Do you remember me? Uh, with alternative question. It's with alternative question. You have to bring your voice up before all and bring the voice out down after all. For example, do you want coffee or tea? Do you want coffee or tea? Do you speak English or German? Do you speak English or German? With tag question, you is there's there are two directions. First direction, the speaker is sure and expect the answer yes. In this direction, you have to bring your voice down at the end of the question. For example, it's a beautiful town, isn't it? It's a beautiful town, isn't it? And to second situation, that the speaker isn't sure, and asks for confirmation. In this situation, you have to bring the voice up at the end of the question. She knows him, doesn't she? She knows him, doesn't she? Okay. Six is comments. With comments, we have to bring voice down at the end of the sentence. Stop it. Stop it. Close the book. Close the book. Sit down. Sit down. 7. Acclamatory sentence. With acclamatory sentence, we have to bring voice down at the end of sentences. What a wonderful present! What a wonderful present! What a wonderful present! It's very nice of you. It's very nice. Oh, sorry. How nice of you. How nice of you. 8. Direct address. With direct address, we have to we have to bring voice up at the end of the sentence. Peter, can you help me? Peter, can you help me? Mr. Smith, this is Mary Brown. Mr. Smith, this is Mary Brown. Next is 9. Enumerating. In enumerating or intonation in list, we have to bring voice up before n and bring voice down after n. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. She bought bread, cheese, orange, and apples. And finally, in introductory phrase. Introductory phrase has two parts. First, we have to bring voice up at the end of this part, and next we have to bring voice down at the end of others. For example, according to his words, he was at home. If he calls, tell him about the conference, please. Okay, that's all about this lesson. That's all I teach you today. So I hope this video could help you. I hope that video could help you in in practice speaking English. Goodbye.